Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the spending breakdown chart on the Wanderlog application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Click on the profile button down below and click on trip plans and then select your trip. Slide to the right side in the middle of the screen until you can find this dollar button and click on it. Then tap on this chart icon next to the expenses title in the middle of the screen and you will find a detailed chart about your spendings. So here you can see them. You can set the category, so you can check out the spendings and expenses according to categories such as drinks, activities and so on, or you can check it out day by day. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.